in our lesson today, we are going to begin with mental work. We all know what mental work is, not so? Yes. So stand up, we may begin with our mental work. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, who can give us the answer? Shall say 5. Thank you. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 shall say 3. Thank you. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. Yes, Alinda. She says 9. High 5. 0 plus 8. 0 plus 8. Which answer have you got, girls? Wonderful. Thou say 8. High 5 to all of you who have got 8. So, let's take our seats. In our lesson today, we are looking at something new, and that is solving algebraic problems in addition. Solving algebraic problems in addition. Let us all read. Solving algebraic problems in addition. What does solving algebraic problems in addition mean? In other words, we are going to be given numbers, but some numbers are going to be missing. So our task will be to find the missing number. So if we don't say solving algebraic problems in addition, we are going to find the missing numbers while adding. Some numbers are going to be given to us and some numbers will not be given to us. So our task will be to find those missing numbers, and we are going to see how we find those missing numbers. It's going to be a very easy task. Let's have our example. Our instructions can say find the missing numbers. And this is our example. These are our examples. Example number 1. We've been given box plus 3 equals 5. Have you ever seen such a number? Have you ever been given such a number? Yes, in our primary 1. So we are just going to add on what we learned in primary 1. We've been given box plus 3 equals 5. How do we find the missing number? Who can tell me how do we find the missing number? This number has not been given to us. This number is supposed to be added to 3 and we get our answer as 5. So how do we get this number? If we have not been given the first number that we add onto the second number in order to get the answer, it means we shall subtract. Everybody tell your neighbor, we shall subtract. Wonderful, we subtract. Which other word do we use for subtracting, girls? We use the word minus. And remember, we already learned how to subtract. So it's gonna be easy. So we are going to subtract the smaller number from the big number. And then we shall get our answer. So when you look at these two numbers, 3 and 5, which one is the smaller number? The smaller number, which is the smaller number, girls? Yes, 3 is our smaller number, and the big number is 5. So, meaning, what are we going to do? We are going to take away 3 from 5. So, the easiest method is this. We are going to draw balls and match them. We are going to draw balls and match them. You see here we have 3 and here we have 5. So we are going to draw 3 balls here. 1, 2, 3. And when we come here we have 5. We draw 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Meaning we are going to subtract. We are going to subtract. The easiest way of subtracting is by matching. We are going to match. Tell your neighbor, we are going to match. How do we match? We match these ones with an arrow. So we match this one, it goes with this one. The second one goes with this one. The third one is going with the third one. Have we finished matching? Is there anything that we are going to match with these two? No, no. So we are supposed to count the remaining numbers. We count the remaining numbers. We count the remaining balls. We count the remaining balls in order to get our answer. This has been matched with this one, 1. This has been matched with this one, 2. This has been matched with this one, 3. And these two have nothing to be matched with. So we shall draw our box here and we say box equals, we count the remaining ones. Let's count together. 1, 2. Has everybody got 2? Yes. Wow. So we write 2 here as our answer. And then, after writing 2 here as our answer, we underline. We do what? We underline. But we do not end here. We come back up here and we fill in the missing number. Remember that question is telling us to find the missing numbers. So, which is the missing number? If box is equal to 2, we come up here and we write 2. And how will it be read? It will be read as 2 plus 3 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. As simple as this. Is this hard, girls? No. But we use this method. We use this method while subtracting small numbers. For big numbers, we cannot use this method. But do not worry, friends. We shall see which method to use when we are subtracting or when we are dealing with big numbers. Note, I said, if we have been told to find the missing number in addition and we have not been given the first number, I said we subtract the smaller number from the bigger number, as we've seen in our example. Let's have example 2. Example 2. This is our number 2. Can any of you give me any number? Any number? Yes, Alinda. Good. Shall say box plus 2 equals 12. Shall I say box plus 2 equals 12. Sorry, box plus 2 equals 12. Let's all read. Box plus 2 equals 12. That is 12. What do we do? Who can remind us what are we supposed to do? We do exactly what we've done with the first number. Since we've not been given the first number and we've been given the second number, what are we meant to do? Yes, Joyce? She's saying we are supposed to subtract 2 from 12. We are supposed to subtract 2 from 12 to get the answer because 2 is smaller than 12. So we are going to use our balls still. We are going to use our balls. Okay. So we shall, how many balls are we going to draw here? Alinda, she's saying 2. Wonderful. We draw to 1, 2. After drawing those 2 balls, what next? We go where there is 12. We go where there is 12. What are we going to do with these 12? Joyce, we are going to draw 12 balls here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the next thing is to, what are we going to do? We are going to match. We are going to match them and we count the remaining ones. Let's match. This one goes with this one. This one goes with this one. And we are supposed to count the remaining ones. Who can count for us the remaining ones? Let's count together, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have got 10. So box is equal to 10. And we underline our answer. Box is equal to 10. Do we end there? Annie is saying something. Yes, dear. She's saying we get that 10 and we fill it in the box. And we write it here. 10. 10. So it will be read as, everybody let's read. 10 plus 2 equals 12. 10 plus 2 equals 12. As simple as this. As simple as this. We match these ones with this and then we count the remaining ones. Dear friends, do not count all of them. We only count the unmatched balls or the unmatched counters. Have we all understood? Now that we have understood, very good. Let us try out this number together as our number 3. Try out. Let us try out. But try to be fast. Box plus 4 equals 8. Our number has been given to us. Box plus 4 equals 8. Let's use that method and we work out. Remember we said if we've not been given the first number and we are adding, we subtract the small number from the bigger number. Subtract. Wow! Agnes is very fast. She wants to give us the answer. Has she finished trying out? Yes, Agnes. Keep your answer. Keep your answer. Now for those of you who have not yet finished, do not worry. Let's work out together. Let's work out together. Since we are supposed to subtract, what are we supposed to do with this? We draw 4 balls here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many are we drawing here? We are drawing 8. After drawing them, we match. And that will be our subtraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are 8. So we are going to match. We are going to match these 8 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those will be 4. We have only matched 4. And each one has to get 1, not 2. Let's count the remaining counters or balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Joyce, which answer did you get? Sorry, Agnes, which answer did you get? She got 4. High 5. So, box is equal to 4. These 4 we have got here, we simply underline our answer. Then we come here and fill in our 4, and it will be read as 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. And we find, that's how we simply find the missing number when we are dealing with addition. We subtract the small number from the big number, and usually the big number is given to us after the equal signs. When you look here, this is the big number, and big number. They are all given to us after the equal signs. So let's try out the following numbers in the activity. I wish you the best. Make sure you organize your work the way I have organized mine, and be neat. I expect you to present the best work. Wish you all the best. Have a great day.